हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर मी ऋतुजा लावरे तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप या शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्माननीय सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आत्ता सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 6 सायन्स चॅप्टर नंबर 5 सबस्टन्सेस इन द सराउंडिंग्स, देअर स्टेट्स अँड प्रॉपर्टीज, टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन्स अँड आन्सर्स. त्यामध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहे, इन द पॅरेग्राफ बिलो राईट अ सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गॅस in each of the blank brackets depending on the substance referred to just before. So there will be given the answers, so we can write in the bracket, okay, in a blank brackets, okay, we can write the solid, liquid or gas. So let's read. On a bright sunny day, Riya and Gargi are playing with a ball. Okay, playing with a ball dash dash in the park. So answer is solid. On the bright sunny day, Riya and Gargi are playing with the ball. So what is this? It is a solid. Answer is solid. Next, Gargi feels thirsty. So Riya brings tender coconut water to her. So coconut water is liquid, so answer is liquid. Next, at the same time a strong breeze dash dash starts blowing and it also begins to rain. So it's a breeze, okay, strong breeze, so its answer is gas, and there will be the answer is liquid because there is a raining. Okay, then next they run back into the house. So house, it is a solid. Then next, change their clothes. Clothes are solid. Then next, and then their mother gives them a cup of hot milk. So hot milk is what? It's a liquid, and dash dash to drink. Okay, so it's a liquid, sorry, it's a cup. So cup is a solid and then milk is a liquid. तर अशा प्रकारे याचे आपण आन्सर मीन्स सॉलिड आहे, लिक्विड आहे की गॅस आहे हे फिल करायचं आहे. जाऊया पुढच्या प्रश्नाकडे आपण. क्वेश्चन 2 आहे डिस्कस. त्यामध्ये ए आहे, रिया पोर्स सम वॉटर फ्रॉम हर बॉटल इन टू अनदर बॉटल, डज इट चेंज द शेप ऑफ द वॉटर? सो लेट्स सी द आन्सर. येस, द शेप ऑफ वॉटर चेंजेस as water is in liquid state. Liquids do not have a shape of its own, they take a shape of the container. Then next B आहे, Halima picks up a small stone from the ground and puts it in the water in a dish. Does the shape of the stone change? Answer is no, the shape of the stone does not change. Stone is a solid, hence retains its shape. Question number 3 आहे, write the properties of these substances. सो खाली काही खाली काही सबस्टन्सेस दिलेले आहेत आपल्याला आणि आपल्याला त्याचे काय लिहायचे आहे, प्रॉपर्टीज राईट करायच्या आहे. तर चला राईट करूया आपण. आन्सर्स दिलेला आहे इथे. तर फर्स्ट सबस्टन्स आहे आपला वॉटर. त्याचं स्टेट कोणता आहे? लिक्विड स्टेट आहे. आता त्याची प्रॉपर्टी बघूया आपण. फ्लुइडिटी, डेन्सिटी, सोल्युबिलिटी, ट्रान्सपरन्सी, थर्मल कंडक्टिव्हिटी. सेकंड इज ग्लास, स्टेट इज अ सॉलिड. Properties, brittleness, hardness, density, transparency. Third is chalk, state is a solid, properties is brittleness, density. Fourth is iron ball, state is a solid, properties are hardness, density, malleability, ductility, electrical ductility, conductivity, thermal conductivity, luster, sonority. Fifth is a sugar, state is a solid, properties are brittleness, density, solubility. Sixth is the salt, state is a solid, properties are brittleness, density, solubility. Then next, flour, it is a solid and properties are density, solubility. 8 is a coal, state is a solid, properties are brittleness, density, thermal conductivity. 9th is a soil, state is a solid, properties are brittleness, density. 10th is a pen, state is a solid, properties are hardness, density. 11th is ink, state is a liquid, properties are fluidity, density, solubility. 12th is soap, state is a solid, properties are brittleness, hardness, density, solubility. ओके, तर जाऊया पुढच्या प्रश्नाकडे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आहे, व्हॉट इज सब्लिमेशन अँड राईट द नेम्स ऑफ everyday substances that sublimate. Okay, so let's see the answer. The change of a solid substance directly into a gas or vapor without first changing into liquid is called as sublimation. Substances that sublimate, that is camphor, naphthalene balls, ammonium chloride and iodine. Then question number 5 आहे, what is made from and why. त्यानंतर बघूया आता आपण. फर्स्ट आहे अ सिकल ऑफ कट शुगर केन. तर बघा आन्सर आहे, सिकल इज मेड ऑफ आयर्न. An iron sickle is hard and malleable. When sharpened, it will be able to cut the hard sugar cane. B. The sheets used for roofing. The sheets used for roofing are made of plastic, aluminium. Plastic is hard, hence protects against weather conditions. Plastic is transparent, hence sunlight can pass through it. Aluminium is hard, lightweight and durable, hence protects against all weather conditions. And malleable, hence formed into the thin sheets. C आहे a screwdriver. Answer is, a screwdriver is made up of iron, steel, aluminium. A screwdriver possesses property of hardness, hence it easily pierces a screw in piece of wood, wall, metal, etc. D. A pair of tongs. Answer is, a pair of tongs are made up of iron, steel, aluminium, etc. Tongs are used to lift hot, boiling utensils or vessels. Tongs are hard, ductile and malleable, hence have a strong grip to hold utensils. Rubbers fitted on the ends will protect from thermal conductions from bumps. E. Electric cables. Answer is, the electric cables are metal wires, means thin, wound in a plastic. Metal wires possesses the property of hardness, ductility, electrical conductivity. Plastic or rubber covering possesses the property of hardness, elasticity and are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Then F is ornaments. So let's see the answer. They are made up of metals like gold and silver. They possesses the property of hardness, ductility, malleability and luster. G is pots and pans. Answer is, they are used to cook food, hence metal like aluminium, steel are used. They possesses the property of hardness, ductility, malleability, thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, microwave ovens. Question number 6 is, what will happen if and why. तर बघा, A. Nails are made of plastic. Answer is, if nails are made of plastic, they will not able to pierce through other substances on being pushed or forced by hammer. Plastic lacks the property of hardness. B. A bell is made up of wood. If a bell is made up of wood, it will never make a ringing sound. A wooden bell does not have the property of being sonorous. Sonority is the property of metals to produce a ringing sound. C. Rubber is not fitted on a pair of tongues. Answer is, rubber is bad conductor of heat and electricity. It will not allow heat to pass to the hands or handle of the tongues, thus protecting us. Pair of tongues are made up of metals which conduct heat and electricity. They have a file property of thermal conduction and electrical conduction. If rubber is not fitted on a pair of tongues, we will not be able to lift hot objects within it. D. A knife is made up of wood. Answer. Wood does not have the property of malleability. Therefore, the edge of wooden knife will be blunt. Hence, we will not be able to cut anything with it. The axe is made up of rubber. Answer. If an axe is made up of rubber, it will not be used to cut wood or tree. Rubber does not have the property of hardness that is required to push through to cut it. Question number 7 is, who am I? A. I am found in thermometer. I measure your temperature. Answer is mercury. B. I make things hot or cold. Answer is heat. C. I have no shape whatsoever. Answer is liquid or gaseous. D. I dissolve in water but not in kerosene. Answer is salt. Question number 8. Why does this happen? A. A coconut oil thickens in water. Answer is coconut oil is in liquid state. In winter, the surrounding temperature or atmospheric temperature starts decreasing. Coconut oil starts cooling or losing heat. It changes to solid state. Thus, coconut oil thickens in winter. B. Kerosene left open in a dish disappears. Answer. When kerosene is left open in dish, it is exposed to surrounding temperature. As the temperature is more, kerosene starts continuously evaporating and finally disappears. The fragrance of incense sticks lightened in one corner of the room spreads to the other corner. Answer. The fragrance of incense stick is given out in the form of satin vapors. As vapors are in gaseous state, the gas molecules spread out in the room. The molecules of gas move very fast and there are no forces to stop them from going apart. Therefore, the fragrance of incense sticks lighted in one corner of a room spreads to the other corner. D. What do you see in the picture? So, there will be the picture. So, answer is the mass of a plastic ball is less than an apple. This difference is because of their densities. Since an apple has a greater density, it will sink to the bottom. On other hand, the plastic ball has a lesser density and it will float over water surface. तर अशा प्रकारे इथे आपला क्लास 6 सायन्सचा चॅप्टर नंबर 5 सबस्टन्सेस इन द सराउंडिंग हा संपलेला आहे. याची क्वेश्चन आन्सर संपलेली आहेत. तर पुढचे चॅप्टरचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर लवकरच चॅनलवर अपलोड केले जातील. तोपर्यंत चॅनलवरील नवनवीन व्हिडिओज बघत चला. चॅनलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू सो मच. कीप वॉचिंग.